Okay. Yeah. Under the tree. Damn!
Nice.
I hurt my ass.
That one hurt?
Yeah, a little bit. It's on the hardest part of the whole land right now.
Yeah.
Ow. Yeah, buddy! You ain't special, kid. You ain't special. Yeah! We hit those, baby. Oh. Here, scrub. Cinder. Oh. Ugh. This is unfair. Locking me off. Acting like he's good when he's literally got a four-wheeler in the snow. And I'm on two freaking wheels.
GG, brother.
Right. Ow! I stretched my groin.
Oh no.
Ow.
You got two tires.
Two 2 tires and a wheel that wants to keep tucking.
Alright, when the snow hits the ground.
Not to mention you got a bunch of weight on me. Huh?
Don't throw forward.
I remember that though.
Should I do 2-wheel drive, make it more fair?
This ain't fair at all.
When we get to the top, can I try your bike?
Yeah.
Here, let Dolan ride with you. Fuck that!
I won't be able to stay up, dude. I'm telling you now.
You ready?
Have you rode before?
I'm in first.
It doesn't look like you're letting out the clutch. Be careful, it might kick. Kidding. There's no way he stays up. He takes the outside. Oh my gosh. Oh, damn. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, knocked my face in. Oh, I broke my visor. Yeah, I cracked it. Woo, that one kind of hurt. You're not impressing anybody. I'm done. I broke it. I'm done. I broke it. Clutch broke.
Huh?
Clutch.
Oh no! Dalton!
My shifter's jammed too. go very slow. As slow as possible. Slow. Alright. He's down.
Not at the rest point, dude. Teamwork.
There you go.
We'll grab the sled.
Alright. Come on, man. We ain't got all day. If you want to ride, you'll have to do that 1,000 times over, man. You're not in gear.
I'm slipping. I can't get the traction to push it.
We end up against the wall or something.
I got nowhere else to take it.
Thoughts? You think it's gonna work?
What?
You think my fabricated clutch is gonna work?
Let me pull it in.
You're fine. We might be back in business. Oh, we are so back! This guy's gonna get somebody killed. The ones that suck, you won't even get on the bike, pussy. It's too heavy. It's too heavy.
It is heavy.
It's too heavy. You can't pick it up, puss boy, or something. Yeah, that's why you're sitting sausage on your brother's back on a quad.
You get closer. I didn't kill